Watch how to change the oil on a Ram 1500 Classic from a 2013 to a 2018 fourth generation and a 2019 to 2024. Let's get to it. Okay, so here's every snapshot of everything that I use. You got your filter, the oil, 520. I use the Vans 5-link protection, full synthetic. Got a homemade oil diverter. I'll show how I made this at the end later as a bonus, so stay tuned. Filter wrench, breaker bar, maybe you might need it. A mallet, might need it. A socket wrench with a 1/2-inch socket. Your funnel, a rag, your oil pan. This I used to lay on some kind of mat. This case cardboard in case oil spills, and a step stool. Remove the cap. It's easier to get it from this side of the truck. Put your oil pan under the oil nut. 1/2-inch. Get your rag ready. When it finished draining, put the bolt back on and tighten it. Okay, so here's the oil filter. With this type of filter wrench, loosen the filter. You just want it loose that you'll be able to finish removing it by hand. Slide the oil pan under the filter. I have a cardboard under it in case it still decides to make a mess on me. Set the homemade oil diverter under the filter and finish removing the filter by hand. Let it drip out slowly to avoid a big mess. When it slows down, remove the filter. Finish dumping the oil that's in the filter into the pan. Clean the area. Here's the oil filter. I'll take a dab of oil. Put the filter on hand tight. Okay, with this hand tight, we want to do just a little bit more turn on it. That's good. Put the oil in. Put the cap on. Start the truck and let it run for 5 minutes. Go under the truck, check the leaks. No leaks. It's been running for 5 minutes. Now turn it off. And wait another 5 minutes and check the oil. 5 minutes later, check the oil. Okay, now I'm in range. So it does take exactly 7 quarts, y'all. To reset the oil light, key in, click it to the on position, but don't start it. Go to down, 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 down. Okay, oil life. Push to the side and hold it. And that's it. I use this PVC container, but any large enough container will do. Anyway, thanks for watching. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit that like, bell, and subscribe button for me. Until next time, peace.